Hi, I'm Krista Alexander from bsavvy.com, and I came across this excellent article about blockchain technology on simonchucker.com. New technologies force companies to change, disrupt their entire business models, and inspire them to create new ones. Just think about the internet. While some companies were successful in tapping into its potential, others missed the opportunity. It brought about the decline of brick-and-mortar shops and traditional media companies, but gave birth to the biggest tech companies we know today. The next imminent question is, which technologies of the future will have a similar impact? In this article, we look at blockchain, exploring some of the most fascinating use cases and developments. 4 examples of new blockchain business models, products, and services. Number 1, new DeFi companies and protocols are mushrooming left, right, and center. One area where blockchain is really taking off is decentralized finance, summed up as banking without a bank. Saving, lending, trading, and hedging of cryptocurrencies on-chain are the top use cases for blockchain right now. Let's look at the payment and crypto platform. Crypto.com, it allows users to invest in crypto, save crypto with interest, trade cryptos, and spend cryptos with a Visa card. Cryptocurrencies are transferred into fiat currency in the moment of payment at a point of sale. Here, the major difference to a traditional bank is that the assets are always in the possession of the user. There is no deposit, loan to the bank, of money. The only way to access the money is via a private key, which is exclusively with the user at all times. Having a non-custodial digital wallet which grants you 100% access to your money at all times is a compelling selling argument in a world where trust in banks is low, especially in countries where banks have gone bankrupt several times, such as Argentina. Number 2, blockchain allows for faster payments in the music streaming industry. What underscores blockchain's potential is its ability to solve many problems. Here's how fintechs Paperchain and Centrifuge teamed up using blockchain to provide a solution for a faster and cheaper advanced payment method. It usually takes 3 to 6 months for revenues from a Spotify stream to reach an artist. For small, independent artists, this could lead to serious liquidity issues. To solve this, Paperchain analyzes artist streaming data and estimates the revenues to be paid in 6 months' time, while Centrifuge provides the infrastructure to convert these accounts receivable into an advanced payment, transferring real-world assets on-chain. The tokens generated from the accounts receivable can be used as collateral for borrowing money. Currently, this payment is in the form of stable DAI. 1 DAI always equals approximately $1, so can be transferred into dollars without the volatility risk of, e.g., Bitcoin. The liquidity for the advanced payment in DAI is provided by investors who are incentivized by earning interest. Not only is this advanced payment solution much faster, according to Centrifuge and Paperchain, it is also 80% cheaper than a traditional solution. Number 3, digitizing and trading real-world assets in the real estate sector. Often, a product or service could not exist without the existence of blockchain, such as Realty's offering. It lets owners tokenize their real estate and sell it in fractions to multiple buyers. On the buyer side, it enables anyone to invest in the real estate market with as little as $50. The rent of such a property is divided among all investors depending on their property's share, and the interest rate on a particular property is the same for all investors, whether it's a $500,000 or $50 investment. It will be interesting to see if this form of a much more liquid real estate market will succeed. 4, increased efficiency in supply chain management and logistics. Blockchain is being increasingly used in the logistics sector, with key benefits including increased trust in the system thanks to greater transparency, traceability of goods, and cost reduction by replacing manual and paper-based administration. An example is TradeLens, an open and neutral supply chain platform underpinned by blockchain technology. Founded by IBM and Maersk, it has grown to 150 members, which includes some of the world's largest logistics firms: CMA, CGM, MSC, ONE, and Hapag-Lloyd. By freeing companies from legacy data systems, manual document handling, and poor visibility, it claims to generate efficiency gains of 15%, worth up to $1.8 trillion in 2020 and $5.2 trillion per annum by 2050. What are the pricing opportunities with blockchain? One of the leading projects working on IoT and changing pricing models is found in the industrial sector. IOTA is an open source distributed ledger and cryptocurrency based on the Tango, which has similar properties to blockchain. Transactions recorded on the IOTA Tango are also encrypted and tamper-proof, with the advantage over most blockchains that they are much faster and free from transaction fees. This allows hundreds and thousands of sensors and machines to store their data securely on the Tango in a way a decentralized database or typical blockchain could not. With IOTA, manufacturing companies can get paid by the actual output of their machines instead of selling the entire machine. Sensors can measure whatever unit, output volume, time, quality, will be used for determining the price and store the data rapidly and securely on the Tango. Pay-per-use becomes a realistic pricing model in traditional industries, with the possibility of generating higher revenues over time from currently unreachable customer segments. How does blockchain impact customer journeys, sales channels, and organizational structures? One of the biggest issues for cryptocurrencies is that the customer journey is still quite troublesome. It can take days from the decision to invest in Bitcoin to the actual execution. Download an app, create a wallet, send money from your bank account, wait for it to come in, and then finally trade it for a Bitcoin. Companies such as Square, PayPal, and Revolut have shown there is demand in the market as well as a lack of frictionless fiat money on-ramp. That's why the Cash App from Square integrated Bitcoin in their application, becoming a huge success in the U.S. More and more banks and fintechs will follow, providing a seamless and frictionless fiat to crypto on-ramp. Looking at traditional businesses, the trend toward online sales channels with blockchain technology will only continue. The very nature of blockchain is to digitize assets and automate processes as much as possible. The more seamless and frictionless the sales process becomes, the better. Meanwhile, blockchain is also set to change organizational structures. Governance tokens launched by fast-growing blockchain companies to decentralize decision-making give stakeholders, governance token holders, a vote. The idea is that investors are incentivized to take the best possible decisions for the entire company. Only then can the organization become more successful, and in parallel, tokens become more valuable. I hope you found this article as interesting as we did. Here's how we make money daily with blockchain, and you can too. BeSavvy.com/overview. We make making money with blockchain simple. Have an amazing day.